Alright, well, welcome back to the garage. I know it's been a little while since I've made a video, which doesn't mean I haven't been working. We've been working trying to get, actually, stuff on the car, because my whole garage, I know, is a wreck, but 90% of it is stuff that goes on the car, and it's just not on the car yet. So, I went ahead and put the front struts on, did that. We've been working on the rear end. I got the rear bracket, or the torque arm bracket modified, and so it can go on now, and I can put the torque arm on now. I just pulled the third member back out, which I'll show you that in a minute. But I pulled it out, and I'm going to pull the bearings out and measure them, because I'm thinking that the bearings that are in it are bigger than what they're supposed to be. And I know when I ordered the third member, it was supposed to be a 325 bearing, and I think the ones that are in it are bigger, or maybe they sent me a housing for a 306 bearing. I don't know. I'm going to find out and take some measurements, because I know when I go to tighten it down, the caps are like a 1/4 inch off the mating surface, so that's not good. But we'll find out. So after all these months of messing with this third member and it not working right, not setting up right, everything, this time I take it apart, I check it all out, I put it back together, it sets right up, and it's perfect. Why couldn't I have done this before? But that's a big load off my back now, so at least that's done. I can put that in, and that part's done. As for the rear end, the brackets that we welded on for the torque arm, after getting the torque arm bracket on, it's not perfectly straight. So we're going to cut it back off and redo that, because I don't like it being crooked, because heim joints aren't really meant to have side load. They're meant to be straight on. So that'll be a little setback, but not too bad. So that's good for now. Oh, my Harley neighbor's gonna drive by. Hold on. Okay. But let's do this. Got my little table set up. See, look at that. But where's my light? These brackets are supposed to be straight in line with each other, which you can kind of tell here. But once you get the bracket on it, you can really see it. It stands out big time. And remember, I didn't have any more paint, so I just used grease. And, you know, well, you can't see there. You can see my pattern turned out really well. Depth is good. Everything is good. Turns nice and easy. It's not a mess like it was. So, all good. Got 6 thousandths backlash. All right. Well, that's been bugging the crap out of me, so I'm glad that's finally done and taken care of. So, once we get these brackets cut off and re-welded on straight, then I'll be ready to put the rear end in, bolt it all together, put it in, and then we can make the subframe connectors, put the cross member in for the torque arm, and then pretty much all I need is a drive shaft, and I can start hooking everything up on the motor. So that's where we're at. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Tell your friends. Have a good one.